Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me today. This one is in my Hobo weeks type planner. I call it my Fauxbonichi because it's not actually Hobo weeks, it's just set out very similar. The kit I'm going to be using is my Gruffalo kit. Oh no. It was World Book Day last week and I didn't get to use it that week because I had to use my daughter's birthday kit. And I figured, since it was close to World Book Day, that I could get away with using the Gruffalo kit. There we go. So that's all 3 sheets. I don't know if you remember, but I kind of put my Fauxbonichi within a traveller's notebook that I created myself using some felt, just to see if I liked it or not. I've currently got it in with a insert that is kind of where I'm jotting all my ideas down for my stickers and things and to-do lists. It's just a book of lists really, and I got the inserts from No Moo Notebooks. I'll show you this. Got this really cute paper clip and nice little 10% off my next order, and I got 2 yellows and a blue. I might actually stick that in there. It's cute. So I might stick another notebook in at some point if I feel the need for it, but at the minute this is kind of housing everything that I need for my shop. So this is last week's kit. This was the leader kit and it was my daughter's birthday on a Tuesday, so this is why I didn't have the Gruffalo kit in, but it was World Book Day on Thursday, so I'm going to use this instead this week. So I'm going to get sticking and stop waffling, and I will see you in a little bit. So here's how it looks. I'll give you a quick rundown of where everything is, because I've changed it up ever so slightly this week. So we have 4 boxes down here, and then we have a rundown for each day. Next to these flags, I'll write my husband's work schedule down so I know when he's here and when he's not. We've got when I'm hopefully putting my YouTube videos up. My daughter's got craft club on the Monday. Saturday we have a christening to go to and a tour and breaks gig, and on Sunday, it's also my nan's birthday. On that Saturday. And then on Sunday, my husband and I are hoping to go to IKEA to pick up some bunk beds for the girls. Not that they know yet, it'll be a surprise. And then this is where it changes. So I have my normal like meal list and to-do box, and then I've got my habit trackers, so it'll be my printer's woken up. Reading, which I'm really pleased with how well that's going. I'm currently on my fourth book so far this year, and I have been reading every day. Not necessarily much every day, but at least a little bit every day, which is really good. I haven't always ticked it off, but I have done it. And then this is my posting on Instagram, which I'm not doing every day, although I think I am starting to get a bit better. I did post yesterday. I have posted today. And I read yesterday. I haven't read yet tonight. And then I have this here is a weekly box, which I think I'm going to use as like a filming schedule, so writing down when I'm going to film and when videos will go up. And then this one and this one, I'm going to jot down some ideas for Instagram posts, so I can kind of get some ideas about what I want to post about, because I kind of get stumped and do the same things again and again. So I'm hoping that by having some ideas down, it'll kind of mix it up a bit. Then I've got 6 boxes for my memories. Sometimes it's hard to come up with something every day, and if I have an extra memory that I want to jot down, I'm sure I can find space for it. I've moved my new release box to here, and I'll show you those at the end of this video. And then I've just got 3 kind of things here for the shop that I'd like to do. I've managed to get all of my checklist done for the shop for like last month, done and finished, so it's now working on next month's kits. I'm trying really hard to kind of get ahead of myself a bit more and give myself a little bit more room to move, but working full time and doing this on top, it's a bit of a struggle sometimes to find that time, what with 2 little girls as well. Anyway, so there's my spread for the week. I really love how it looks. I kind of wish I might have saved it for autumn time because of the colours and everything, but I'm really pleased with it, and I think it looks really nice. And I like the idea of children's books and doing kits kind of around those, and I'm always reading books with my girls. We've just been working our way through some of the Roald Dahl books, so you may be seeing more kind of children's book themes coming your way over the next few months. If there are any suggestions for kits that you would like, just pop them in the comments below, and I'll have a look. I'm starting to struggle a little bit for this part of the year because I've got a few ideas for the summer, but kind of this springtime, I've done the Easter kits and I've done Mother's Day. So yeah, if you've got some ideas, jot them down and I'll have a look, and you may see a kit coming your way. So this is what I have left. Lots of icons, a couple of flags, checklists, more deco, a sticky note, another checklist here, some icons and more deco. And the deco will be added to the spread kind of towards the end of the week when I can see where I have spaces and stuff to stick it. So there we go. In a second I'll be showing you the new releases for next week, But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! So, new releases for this week is my Bob in the Ocean kit. I've had an idea of an underwater kit for a while, and I started doodling and this one kind of happened. I really like the colours and like how bold it is. So this is the 4 boxes for the full size kit. This fits in an Erin Condren life planner really nicely. Then we have the half boxes. I have check boxes. Deco sheet with some icons, date covers and bottom washi, little things and the headers, and we have extra deco as well. Each of these sheets come a la carte too, so if there's only a particular sheet or sheets that you want rather than the whole kit, you can pick those up. So that's the full kit. It also comes in a mini / bullet journal kit. So there's the first page, and the second page, third, and the final page. And here is the Hobo Weeks version. It's page 1, page 2, and page 3, and finally the last release I have this week is my April monthly kit. This is based on the concept of April showers. So we have Bob and his very lovely rainbow umbrella. So it's because I'm surrounded by balloons at the minute because of the party we had. So there's the first page with lots of kind of boxes to fill in those spare days, some deco, we've got some birthday icons here and some sticky notes, and of course the April down the side there. Then we have some more full boxes, some half boxes. These are like your date dots, days of the week, build yous, some movie icons, some little raindrops, coffee cups, some washi, and some little payday bobs. Okay, so they will all be available on Saturday.